Welcome back, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you here on my channel once again. Today, I have a special treat for you as I unveil my top 5 picks for the absolute best solar generator available online. The solar generator is a revolutionary device that allows you to tap into the abundant energy of the sun and convert it into clean and reliable electricity. These incredible products have undergone thorough research and testing, guaranteeing that only the best choices are included in this highly esteemed list. I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 lists. Number 1. Jackery Solar Generator with 100W Solar Panels. Harnessing the renewable energy of the sun, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 offers a sustainable and eco-friendly power solution. The two included SolarSaga 100W solar panels efficiently convert sunlight into electricity, ensuring a continuous power supply even in remote locations. By relying on solar power, you can reduce your carbon footprint and enjoy the freedom of being off the grid. With its 1002 Wh capacity, the Jackery Solar Generator 1000 provides abundant power to keep your essential. Number 2. Ecoflow Delta Pro Solar Generator. The Ecoflow Delta Pro Solar Generator offers a powerful and reliable energy source to meet your power needs. With a substantial 3.6 kWh 3600W capacity, it can power a wide range of devices and appliances, from small electronics to larger appliances like refrigerators and power tools. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can rely on the Delta Pro to keep your essential devices running. It comes with a convenient and efficient 400W portable solar panel. This solar panel harnesses the sun's energy and converts it into electricity, providing a clean and sustainable power source. The portable design allows you to set up the solar panel quickly and easily in various outdoor environments, ensuring that you can recharge the Delta Pro even in remote locations. Number 3. Portable Power Station 300W Solar Generator with 60W USB output. The Gracel Portable Power Station 300W offers remarkable portability with its compact and lightweight design. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness or traveling to remote locations, this power station is easy to carry and transport. Its sleek and durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, making it an ideal companion for those who prioritize convenience. Powered by a high-quality lithium battery, the Gracel Portable Power Station 300W ensures long-lasting and reliable performance. The lithium battery offers enhanced energy efficiency, a longer lifespan, and a lighter weight compared to traditional lead-acid batteries. This makes the power station more reliable and durable, providing peace of mind during extended trips or emergencies. Number 4. Anker Powerhouse 1500W Solar Portable Generator. This is equipped with a substantial 1229 Wh battery, offering ample power to keep your devices running. Charge smartphones, laptops, cameras, and other small electronics multiple times, or power larger appliances such as mini fridges, electric grills, and even medical equipment. With the Powerhouse 757, you have the energy reserves to meet your various power needs. The Powerhouse 757 features a high-quality LFP, lithium iron phosphate, battery, known for its long cycle life and improved safety compared to other battery types. The LFP battery ensures reliable and consistent performance, allowing for extended usage without compromising power output. Number 5. Jackery Portable Power Station Solar Generator. The Jackery Portable Power Station Explorer 3000 Pro boasts an astounding 3024 Wh capacity, providing an abundance of energy for all your power needs. Charge smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other small devices multiple times, or power larger appliances such as mini fridges, electric grills, and medical equipment. With the Explorer 3000 Pro, you can enjoy extended off-grid adventures without worrying about running out of power. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?